we've got a lovely fight coming up between Regan the Shark Glakin and Louis O'Doherty. Now, this is going to be super tough to call, especially considering the fact that Regan is undefeated, Louis is undefeated. Someone though has to go, and it's gonna be super difficult to choose a side. Regan prefers long wars. Louis is more of a knockout guy. Problem is, Regan has never been knocked out, and I expect a technical fight here because both of these boxers are, how to say, they like to test their opponents. They like to start slow, and everything else would have been a massive upset if you're asking me. I'm going with over 8.5 side call. This is 50-50 to me. If I must pick a side, maybe Glakin because of the experience. But I really don't have an idea who gets the job done here.